Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you really like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So today I have my Inspo box. This is, I think, a bi-monthly box, and I want to say it's like $39.99, but as always, I'll have a link below if there's any discounts and how much it costs per month or bi-monthly. So this is a kind of a lifestyle box. It has makeup, it has skincare, it puts in things for like your everyday life that you'd want to use. So let's see what we got in there. I can't remember if they put a card in here. I don't see one, but sometimes it gets stuck at the bottom of the box. So let's check it out. The first thing, is this note book. And it's wrapped up and it's got like a rose gold tint to it. So, sorry for the crunching noise. I hope you guys are having a great week. And this is by Jane Marie. And I don't know if you can see this. It just kind of opens and closes. So that's kind of neat. Don't know if it's a calendar or just a notebook. And it appears to be just a notebook. So that is really nice, and it has in here the little string so that you can put what page you are on for your notes. So I really do like this. Very fancy. So that was the first thing we received in the box. Don't know what to pick next. Oh, the next thing are some falsies. We got some eyelashes. I have so many pairs. Still don't know how to use them. I have the glue-ons, and then I also have magnetic, and one of these days I am going to try to film how to put them on. But today is not that day. And then the next thing is Bubble Clay Mask Deep Face Cleanser. Look at the size of that. So do you cleanse and then do you mask? So you cleanse and then you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then you wipe it off. So one of these days I am going to do the Mask Monday with the ladies, and I will try this. So that's really nice. Then we have Sola Lashes Instant Lash Adhesive. Oh, so this is the glue. See if you can see that. Nice size. That will go with these great falsies. Now those are some big lashes. I don't know how those would go, but that's nice that they give you the glue with it. Then we have, 2 pens for that journal. It's also by Jane Marie. And right away, reviews with Sue, I'm going to have to say no. Because I know she's watching, and her favorite color is purple. And I know she's going to want this pen. She's probably already on the phone calling me for this pen. But it goes so nice with the journal. There's a purple and a pink. So as much as I love her, I'm going to have to turn her down. So there's 2 nice pens in there. And then we have, not quite sure, Cumanin Black Organic Rich Caramel and Bittersweet Cocoa. Oh, so this whole thing, it feels more like a tea. Get out of the way. It feels more like a tea. You put, oh, it is a tea. For a good cup of tea, 0.5 tablespoons. It comes from Cumanin, India. but I could have sworn it said rich caramel and bittersweet cocoa tea maker. Confused. We'll have to look it up. Not that hard to confuse me. So that looks nummy. Oh, oh dear. Look at these cute socks. First I thought it was one long sock. And then they're cute like little anklet socks that you can wear around the house. And there's 2 pairs of these. I got the little lacy. Now those are cute. And then it looks like we have a candle. It's hard to see. This is by Elle, but I don't know how I am going to get that cork out of this candle. Trying to smell it. Let's see if at the bottom. Again, it's by Elle. It's Chardonnay. But suggestions? Do you use a corkscrew? I have one of those, but I don't know how I'm going to get it out. And there's 25% off of everything. Use code exclusive wanderlustbeauty.com. Discover beauty, and you can take 25% off of anything you buy at Wanderlust. And then we have this box. So there's no card in here, so there's no retail prices. And what do you think this is? It says on the back, Bonita Home, Los Angeles, State of California, Proposition 65 warning. So those of you who live in California, what is that warning? Is it a bottle? Is it a thermos? Oh my God, it looks like a baby thermos. For the tea, maybe? Wow. It looks like a baby thermos. Now, I haven't seen, I've seen mega water bottles. I don't know how many water bottles have we got in subscriptions, but I have never seen, and like the to-go coffee cups, but I have never seen a thermos to put the tea. And then it's got this cute little cup. Wow. So you can make the tea and put it in your thermos. What do you think? Although, I swear, it says cocoa on there. So we got the thermos. We got this great tea cocoa. We got this mask. It's a nice size mask. This will be a challenge for me. These cute socks. I just think these are adorable. They're kind of like a mauve light pink color. 25% off for Wanderlust. These great eyelashes, although I think they're kind of big for my eyes. And the glue. And the purple and pink pens. And this great journal. And again, I'm just loving how it just opens and closes. And I will definitely get my use out of the journal, especially with those pens. So let me know what you thought of this box. And I want to say, when I first got this box, there was a coupon code to use. So I'll see if I can find that and leave that link below. Leave the link for the box and leave comments. Let me know what you thought of this box. Did you like it? Is it something that you would want to try? As I said, it just has all sorts of different things, and I really, really liked that thermos. You probably can't put it in the dishwasher, which is a total bummer, but it's little enough that I could wash it. So as always, thank you guys so much for stopping by and taking a part out of your day to spend with me. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I have my email below, and so if you ever want to reach out to me, if you find something on my channel that you really like and I'm not going to use, no problem sending it to you. And as always, have an awesome day.